Good morning, good morning, good morning. I came to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Over the weekend, my daughter-in-law commented on my video, the video where my husband did my length check. I will put a link to that video where my husband was doing my length check in the cards right up here, just in case you haven't seen it. It was very popular. But she commented, "Yay, mama, you reached 500. Oh my, that was exciting to me because I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. I thank you for those that noticed and were jubilating with me, celebrating, excited for me. Sonia said, "You're in the 500 club. You've reached your goal." And so I am now setting new goals. Last year, this time, I was asking for 250 subscribers. I think around 200, 250. And so now, I'll go. And just like you helped me to get to 500, I want you to help me get to 1,000. That's our goal. Please, though, share, like, and subscribe to my videos. I don't think I say that enough. According to my brother Ricky, I don't say that enough. So would you like, subscribe, and share this video? I will be forever appreciative of your assistance. I know I can't do it without you. I was thinking about those people that have really thin hair. Yeah, I'm going to say thin hair. And you have Sisterlocks. As I was styling my mannequin that I've done the microlocks on, I interlocked her hair. And I was styling the mannequin, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that I rolled the mannequin's hair. And when I rolled it, I realized that it was a wonderful camouflage for the scalpy look. Yeah, a lot of people don't like that look. And I'm not going to tell you that you're going to get rid of the scalp completely, but it is certainly a way to make your hair look thicker by setting it on rollers. And you can decide what rollers you want to set it on, or maybe you just want to do bantu knots and carefully take it out. But I see that as an assistance to you in covering up some of that scalpy look. When we get our microlocks or sisterlocks, it shows more of our scalp than we have ever seen. So let's think of this camouflage that I'm talking about, and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because His mercies are new every morning. And He keeps opening doors for me. So also I want you to check out my Facebook group, Curly G. And there's a link in the description box to my Facebook group. let's watch the video. Everyone that comes by and sees my mannequin, and I have already installed her Microlocs, want to know what I'm going to do with her now. Am I going to take the locks out and start over again? No, I'm not. What I'm going to do today is set her hair on sponge rollers. I'll get started and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to mist it with water and start rolling it.